Hi everybody, how we doing? This is Dennis Miskowski, Dennis Repetition. I just finished working for the day, and I was just thinking how gamers and people that remodel houses have a lot in common. They always have a problem, and they have to create a solution. Like when you're finishing that board that you have to finish to go to the next level, I'm putting in another nail to go to the next board. So please, if you're a gamer and you have ways to make construction easier, or if you want to learn how I do it and maybe later you can come up with an idea to make it easier, watch me, subscribe, and please teach other people how we can do this together. But I'm looking for some young folks in this area, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, that want to learn how to fix houses, basically. And sometimes we go really to the extreme, and sometimes we just build what is already there. But please, like, comment, and share so that we can get known. But we're going to have a lot of valuable information coming soon. So please contact me while you can before I get too busy. Have a good one. This is Dennis Miskowski, Dennis Repetition, coming at you one more time. Thank you.